Russia is sending young Africans to die in its war against Ukraine, writes the Bloomberg. The Kremlin has forced thousands of migrants and foreign students to fight alongside Russian troops in its war against Ukraine, according to assessments from European officials. Using tactics first deployed by the Wagner Mercenary group, Russian officials have, with increasing frequency, been threatening not to extend the visas of African students and young workers unless they agree to join the military. Moscow has also been enlisting convicts from its prisons, while some Africans in Russia on work visas have been detained and forced to decide between deportation or fighting, one European official said. Russia's practice of sending migrants and students into battle under duress dates back to earlier in the war. Those troops suffer especially high casualty rates because they are increasingly deployed in risky offensive maneuvers to protect more highly trained units. According to reports citing Ukrainian intelligence, Russia has engaged in a global recruitment drive to enlist foreign mercenaries in at least 21 countries, including several nations in Africa. Army recruitment campaigns offer lucrative signing bonuses and salaries for those who will join up as contract soldiers. Recruiters have also targeted migrants and students who previously looked for employment in Russia, and in some cases have lured others over with promises of lucrative work before forcing them to train and deploy to the front. There are 35,000 to 37,000 African students currently in Russia, according to Yevgeny Primakov, head of Rosotrudnichestvo, an organization devoted to spreading knowledge about Russia abroad. English? Look, north is Ukraine, south is Russia. Do you know where the sun comes up? Don't shoot there. Russian soldiers inspect a position where mercenaries from Nepal who do not speak Russian were left alone. Russians don't speak English. Nepalists don't know any Russian.
Пойдем поговорим. Fire, war, удар. Go this side. Да, какого ебать. Окей. Забыл нас.
А кто старший, я не пойму. Тут старший кто? English. А вас что, блядь, тут четвером, блядь, пятером кинули вас? Охуеть. И переводчика нету?
Нет у него никого. Они по-английски, умеешь по-английски говорить?
Нихуя, ебать. Да.
Да. Север Украины, смотри. Так. Норд, вест. Норд, вест. Правильно? Север. Вот.
So.
Какой?
Украина. Север.
Юг.
Украина.
Russian. Окей. Солнце знаешь, откуда встает?
Солнце.
Вот. По солнцу ориентируйтесь, куда солнце, где встает и где садится. Север там, юг там. Все, не забывайте.
Ну как так?
Туда не стреляй. Туда стрелять не надо. Туда стрелять, ну так, ничего. Не, пацаны.
Туда?
Приятного аппетита. Так, все, пошли дальше. Все, давай.
Там что, пройдем, не пройдем мы там через это? Вон, пошли там пройдем.
Все.
Вас тут одних бросили, я в шоке. Давайте.
Спасибо.
Не за что. Здорово. Охуеть.
And on the normal side of the globe, the employees of the U.S. Embassy in Ukraine have confirmed that the 12th Special Purpose Brigade, Azov, of the National Guard of Ukraine, has passed the inspection required by U.S. law and has the right to receive assistance from the United States of America in the field of security. Great news. A destroyed Russian D-20 howitzer, including ammunition that cooked off. No food, no clothes. We wear what we find in these houses. Russian soldiers loot the homes of Ukrainians in the temporarily occupied territories and look for things to wear.
Че, пацан, ты готов на 3 года здесь остаться?
Вот так.
Ага. Короче, тебе эта новость не нравится, да, то, что мы здесь, возможно, останемся?
Да, конечно, да. Зимой не хотелось быть. Легко ли, блядь, обеспечения никакого. Кормить не кормят, одевать не одевают, посмотрите, он, блядь. В домах еще находим, то, блядь, и одеваем, блядь.
Да?
О, не верите, посмотрите на этого распиздяя. То же самое. Это вот, товарищ.
Жора.
Жора подписал контракт по срочке. На срочке вот, блядь. Сколько тебе, Жора, осталось служить в срочке еще? Не, по срочке, если служил.
Нет,
9 месяцев, блядь. 3 месяца отслужил по срочке и подписал контракт. И уехал на Украину. Вот, товарищ ФСБшник. ФСБшник! Мяу. Там он, еще вот один вот сидит демон, вот, смотрите, там, видите, башка его торчит. Вот это вот тоже срочник. Ну это слон, вот это конкретный слон, бай. Это вот товарищ Каспер стоит, бля. У него вон ботинки, здесь написано ВСУ где-то на них.
ЗСУ.
Да ну нахуй ВСУ. А, вот, видите? Вот здесь вот палочку сейчас ему сегодня вырежем, вот так вот, и будет ВСУ. А это вот блогер этой страницы. Лайки, да. Да. Скажите, что надо ставить. Лайки ставим. Колокольчик не забываем нажиматься. Следите за новостями. А это я.
No panic among Z-bloggers. These are the thoughts they sent to me in a personal message. I leave them out for your judgment. I'll just tell you the U.S. strategic plan for 6 months. The period is determined by natural and climatic conditions. 1. Provocation through enemy strikes our strategic and tactically important links. 2. Increasing the potential of NATO missile defense and air defense systems along our borders. They have been conducting reconnaissance throughout the entire depth of our country since the 60s. Look at the U.S. radio engineering intelligence centers on the map. Ground reconnaissance is carried out from all NATO countries, as well as from the territories of Sweden, Azerbaijan, Japan, Taiwan, Kazakhstan, and Georgia. I'm not even talking about space reconnaissance. 3. Over the next 6 months, work will be carried out on our remaining air defense systems and complexes. They will be put out of action. Probing of possibilities has been carried out since the beginning of 2023. 4. In 6 months, when the roads become muddy and the effectiveness of the ground forces, both the Ukrainian armed forces and ours, decreases, the buildup of strike aviation potential, F-16s will be delivered, will begin at the airfields of Poland, Germany, Finland, Sweden, etc. 5. In 6 months, it will be very difficult for the boys, like Uncle Vanya, because their Ukrainian aviation will start operating, and it doesn't matter who will be the pilots. We have 6 months to make important decisions. And despite all this, not a single airfield is protected.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.